back to Christi. Okay, so I'm back with another video and I'm so excited for this one. As you can see from the title down below, I will be sharing with you guys my Rare Beauty routine. And yeah, Rare Beauty just launched last year and unfortunately, hindi siya naging available agad dito sa Philippines. But wait, guys, no need to worry. You can shop Rare Beauty sa Sephora Philippines starting tomorrow. Ayan, so yeah, I'm so excited and I'm so happy. I've been a huge Selena Gomez fan. I mean, I super duper love her kasi I think she's the strongest woman I know and grabe yung napagdaanan niya for the past grabe yung napagdaanan niya for the past few years and I can't imagine myself going through that pain. I mean, I think only Selena Gomez can carry herself like that. Saludo ko sa'yo, Selena Gomez. And I love her so much. She's so charming. She's so talented and she's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm just so excited for her makeup brand. Actually, some of the products, ginagamit ko siya every single day kasi sobrang ganda. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm done with my skincare already. And the first thing that I do is I use this primer, which is the Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. What I love about this one kasi it gives me that dewy look as in glass skin, Korean glass skin. And yeah, it has tiny glitters. I don't know kung very noticeable siya. Kapag glass skin, parang ang healthy ng skin. I won't recommend this one para sa mga oily skin kasi sobrang dewy niya. So, they also have an option which is the matte and poreless, which I think better yun kapag oily yung skin mo. So, after the primer, next naman is the foundation. And I'm in the shade 170W. With this one, I love na sobrang eksakto niya sa skin ko. And it's not really that, you know, sobrang maximum coverage. It doesn't have that. Parang siyang skin tint for me. It doesn't really cover all the blemishes. But I think this one is buildable naman. Another thing with this foundation, a little goes a long way. As in, sobrang dot lang talaga yung nilalagay ko. And yun, kumakalat na siya. And yeah, I like it. For the concealer, I'm in the shade 110. And actually, this is not my shade. Medyo maputi siya sa akin. And my friend just told me recently na pair pala dapat yung foundation and concealer. As in, same shade pala siya dapat. Hindi ko alam yon. I've been using this. Actually, I'm mixing it with my usual concealer. With my usual concealer. Kasi yung concealer ko naman is medyo maitim ng konti than my natural skin tone. So, yeah, I think it's a blessing in disguise din naman. With this one naman kasi napansin ko na it's super duper lightweight. As in, parang wala kang suot na concealer. But at the same time, it doesn't really cover your blemishes that much. After my concealer, I set my face with this Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist. What I love about this one is, wait, I'm gonna show you na lang. Pero, I don't know if you guys will see, pero it's worth the try. Diba? Sobrang fine ng mist niya. Okay, feeling ko wala yun. But, yeah, sobrang fine ng mist niya. That's what I love about this spray. And at the same time, it sets your makeup really nice. Kasi other mist, it parang siya hairspray yung iba, diba? Parang hairspray, parang antigas sa face. This one is just like water, pero ginagawa niya yung job niya. And at the same time, I use this. As you can see naman, gamit na siya. So next, I'm gonna go with the blush. And I have two shades here. This one is in the shade Joy and the other one is in the shade Bliss. So what I love about these blushes kasi very pigmented siya. As in, a little goes a long way. As in, dot lang ilagay mo. Sobrang dami niya na. And it stays for a very long time. You don't have to bring these outside. As in, magsistay talaga siya. Kasi parang creamy, very creamy siya and na-absorb siya ng skin. So there you go. Next naman is the highlighter. I have also two shades here. One is in the shade Enlighten and the other one is in the shade Mesmerize. So pag ginamit ko yung Bliss sa cheeks ko, I use Mesmerize on my cheeks. Pero kapag ginamit ko yung Joy, I use Enlighten. Pero yeah, just for the cheeks lang yun. Pero sometimes, for my nose, I always use Enlighten kasi yung Mesmerize, it has a pink tone and medyo hindi ko bet yun kapag sa nose. Every time na sinusuot ko itong highlighter na to, lagi ako nako-compliment sa highlight kasi I don't know, parang nagbe-blend well siya sa skin. Parang it doesn't look like na may highlighter ka. Parang lang siyang natural glow. Okay, so I'm back and natapos ko na rin yung eye makeup ko while waiting for my camera to charge. And yeah, I use this Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner. This one naman, I've heard a lot of reviews na mabilis daw siya matuyo and all. Pero I feel like depende siya sa pagka-store mo. Sinustore ko lang siya like a pen, as in nakabaliktad lang siya para hindi dry out yung tip. I love that it's very manageable. As in, kapag diniin mo, kakapal siya. Kapag super light lang ng stroke mo, manipis siya and very fine. So yeah, I love this one. And yeah, I've been using this. I think ito lang yung eyeliner ko ngayon. So yeah. So last, just to seal the look, I use this Dewy lip balm from Rare Beauty, of course, in the shade Empathy. This one is a perfect NLBB shade for me. Ang ganda niya. As in, very glossy siya and very hydrating sa lips. So yeah, that's my look. And of course, let's seal it again with the 4-in-1 Optimist Mist. Okay, so I'm just gonna get ready. Ayusin ko lang yung hair ko and I'll be back. That is it for my Rare Beauty routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. But before I say goodbye, gusto ko munang ipaalam sa inyo yung mga recommendations ko just in case interested kayo to buy Rare Beauty products. So, first of all, I would highly recommend this Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. Sobrang helpful nito, as in, dali niyo siya sa bag nyo. Very refreshing, very hydrating. I swear by this product. Next are these super highly pigmented blushes in the shade Bliss and Joy. Promise, sobrang worth it nito bilhin. As in, a little goes a very, very long way and sobrang tatagal to sa inyo. Mas matagal pa to kaysa sa kahit na anong relationship. Joke lang! And another products are their highlighters. Sobrang favorite ko rin to. Very natural looking, very dewy finish, and yeah, maganda tong highlighters na to. Again, long-lasting siya and a little goes a long way. Last na i-recommend ko is this Dewy Lip Balm. Very nice siya. I use this almost every single day. Isa pa pala sa na-notice ko about this balm is kapag natanggal siya, nag-iiwan siya ng stain. So, kapag natanggal siya, hindi siya pangit tignan or hindi siya patchy tignan. So, yeah, highly recommend and yeah, I love it. So, yeah, that's all. That's everything. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and again, I will remind you that tomorrow, Rare Beauty products will be available at Sephora. All you have to do is go to the Sephora Philippines website. I will leave the link down below and of course, I will leave the prices in the description box din para you guys will have an idea kung magkano nag-range ang Rare Beauty products. And yeah, I'm just so happy to make this video. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!